and juice too. They are so yummy.
We can sit outside on the big blankets and eat our treats together.
We can feel the wind and listen to the birds.
Let's play all day.
What do you do on sunny days?
Some animals I like. I like birds. They are pretty. They sing choo choo choo. I like kittens. They are cute. They say meow meow meow. I like puppies. They are cute too. They bark woof woof woof. I also like hamsters. They are small and soft. They say squeak squeak squeak. Today is a beautiful day. The weather is sunny and warm, and it feels perfect for an adventure. Let's go to the zoo. There's so many amazing animals to see.
We can watch monkeys swimming and frogs climbing up the tree. Hello everyone, we are from Shuangyan School. My name is Ethan. My name is Johnny.
My name is Heather.
Our story is Sunny Day. It's a sunny day. It's warm and bright. I can go out and play. I can run in the park. I can jump over the log.
I can hide like rabbits.
I can skip around the forest.
It's sunny. The sky is